Balik sa GMA Regional TV Live mga kapuso, karong butaga hisgutan ta climate change. Unsay mahimo sa mga yanong lungsuranon sa ilang partisipasyon alang sa atong kalikupan, kalikayan kining maong panghitabo sa atong katiligban. Karong buntaga mga kapuso, makauban nato kining passionate kaayo nga Bisaya ning maong Adbokasiya chairperson siya sa Citizens Disaster Response Network ug director sa Leyte Center for Development, si Ma'am Minette Agisanda Jerusalem. Good morning.
May buntag sa inyong tanan, mga listeners sa GMA 7. May buntag dito.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Minette, for joining us. Daghan kayong salamat, Ma'am. Ma'am, gusto mi mahibaw ini imong kausa, Ma'am, before ka himong advocate sa climate change. Unsa may imong gikabisihan kani adto ug unsa imong gipong buhat kani adto, Ma'am?
Actually, Nico, right after college, ni-join ako mga non-government organizations nga nitabang sa mga vulnerable communities sa Visayas para maging aware about the environment and climate change. So, I've been doing this for 40 years. Nag-join ko varied non-government organizations from women to justice and peace, to helping poor peasants. So, karon for the last 20 years, nag-work ko sa Leyte Center for Development.
We've heard, Ma'am, nga ikaw usa ka sa survivor sa Typhoon Yolanda. Unsay nakatuna nimo atong mga experience, Ma'am? Ug unsay nakapabag-o ini nga mas nakapamotivate nimo ining imong gipangbuhat karon?
During that time, it was so easy to pack our bags and leave, no? Pero we decided to stay on here in Palo under plastic sheets kay bisag daghan kag kwarta, wa kay mapalit nga mga gamit. Everything was closed from 500 kilometers radius of the damage of Yolanda. Pero we decide to stay on when the other NGOs chose to leave. Kay lisod kaayo, daghang patay, way doktor, closed ang hospitals. We decided to stay kay kahibaw mi na naapay mas daghang communities, mga pobre nga communities nga mas nanginahanglan compared sa amo. So, kung nilakaw ni, ang among foreign partners, wa na'y contact sa Eastern Visayas. We rose up from the storm and we were able to serve 23,000 families in just 4 months after Typhoon Yolanda. It was the largest ever number of families we were able to serve in that short time frame.
How will we make people understand, Ma'am, kay siguro ang uban dili kaayo interesado gyud ani mga topic, wala kayo interest gyud ani nga mangunay. So how do we make people understand more aning konsepto para sila sa mismo, Ma'am, mo join aning advocacy against climate change?
Kami sa among NGO, among national network, ang Citizens Disaster Response Network, aduna mi pamaagi, like we have education materials na ihatag sa mga communities. We go to the media also here in Leyte, radio and TV sometimes. And then naapod ni mga ladderized trainings in our project areas in the communities we work with para ma-instill ang awareness and preparedness among these communities. After Yolanda, specifically sa amo dinhini ko, sa Leyte and Samar, mas mo cooperate, we notice, mas mo cooperate na ang mga tao. Murag na leksyon na sila when we tell them that this is the impact of our environment na nagbuba na, mas mo cooperate sila. We planted more than 300 hectares in southern Leyte of upland trees, and we planted 7 hectares of mangroves 3 years ago. The people were so cooperative, from youth to senior citizens.
Ma'am, you said mo nga almost 40 years na ka, Ma'am, ini mo mga advocacies, ini mga campaign, Ma'am. Unsay nakapaaghat nimo ng hingusog gyud ini, Ma'am, ug unsa may matawag nato nga fulfillment nga nakuha sab nimo ini, Ma'am?
I saw the gap. I saw that there was a huge gap between those who have and those who have not. No? So, very simple lang. I was still third year college. I said, nganong ako gani nga di man ko dato, daghan kong sapatos, di lang napulo ka pair unya. Ang sugar worker bisag usa nga chinilas, lisod kaayo. So that started my mind. Something changed in me a few years ago, na even before Yolanda. You know, we were in a very poor area in Samar. It was hunger season. Wagi pagkaon. Kuan lang, kamote lang og asin. And you know, the poor family, They cooked the last gantang of rice for us. So I told my friends, even those who kanang na ay kaya abroad, who among our friends would cook the last gantang of rice for the family for you? So I was so moved. And I said, my God, the people really appreciate what we're doing, the programs on livelihood and disaster preparedness that we're doing, that they cook the last food for us.
Pero kumusta man ma'am ang response pod sa mga community sa inyong pag-execute sa campaign? Receptive ra ba pod sila?
Receptive po daayo sila, kay exposed sila sa effect sa climate change. Like now, affected kayo sila sa mga bagyo, kay nawa na ang mga lubi, like, which is their main source of income. Like in Yolanda, Leyte was the second largest coconut producing province in the Philippines, and 90% of the coconuts were destroyed during Yolanda. So you can imagine the impact on poor communities depending on coconut. So ang campaigns namo karon is helping the communities go back to food production. Rice, corn, bananas, no? Secondary na lang ang cash crop like coconuts and abaca. So wide array kaayo ang mga distribution namo sa vegetable seeds.
Maminat anita kaning baguhay lang nahingan ka sa usa sa mga climate heroine alongside other mga empowered individuals sa uban nga mga nasod ma'am. So reaction nimo ini ma'am?
Yes, of course. Nico, thank you very much. Very thankful ako sa CARE Germany, which was the host of the International Climate Heroine Awards. Actually, 12 mi nga babayi that they chose all over the world. Duha lang mi sa Asia, ako sa Philippines, and one other woman sa Vietnam. Pero ako ray gi-invite sa Germany para pa-speak in behalf of the 11 other women leaders. So it was an honor for me because not because nga makaadto ta Europe, pero it was a chance to tell the world about the situation of our kababayans, especially after Typhoon Yolanda.
To cap this off, unsay mensahe nimo sa mga nagtan-aw nato karon, labi na nimo adbokasya, unsay gusto gid nimong ipaambit sa atong mga kapuso karon buntaga?
Ulihok ta, mag-organisa ta, mag-aram ta, mag-educate nato atong kaugalingon. So, daghang salamat for this chance, and I hope GMA 7 could come and visit our area. We will be so happy to host you, to see our projects and what they're doing for poor and vulnerable communities. Welcome gid kaayo mo dinhi sa Samar ug Leyte, GMA 7.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Minette. We look forward to visiting you sa Pohon. Thank you so much atong climate heroine mga kapuso. Gikan sa Palo, Leyte, si Ma'am Minette Agisanda, Jerusalem. Thank you, Ma'am.
Salamat sa tanan. Bye.